Here's the MLA 9 format for a journal article step by step. In MLA 9, list the author, article title, journal title, then volume, issue, year, and pages. Write the author first, last name before first name. End that part with a period. Put the article title in quotation marks, with title case and a period inside the quotes. Italicize the journal title. Then add volume, issue, year in parentheses, and the page range. If there's a DOI, use the URL form. MLA 9 does not add a period after it. Example, Smith, John, AI in the Classroom, Journal of Educational Research, 45.2, 2024, 113, 127. Avoid dropping quotes, italics, and the MLA punctuation pattern around volume, issue, and pages. No DOI. Keep the citation format the same and stop after the page range. Gentext can format journal citations in Word, so you spend less time checking punctuation. Gentext formats MLA 9 citations automatically in Word. Free to try.